guys, welcome back to my IGTV. So because we have a lot of Vela time at our disposal right now, it's a good thing to invest some time on yourself for mental health, physical health, skin care, hair care, etc. Because believe it or not, once we get back to the new normal, as they're calling it, we'll get back to being busy and we'll get back to the older routine that we all were following. And तब कोई कुछ करने के लिए बोलेगा, so we can easily say कि भाई आज हमारे पास time नहीं है. So now that हमारे पास time है, it's a good time to invest some on yourself. And as you would have probably read from the title, today we'll be talking about a lot of hair masks. So why are hair masks and hair care important? Because even though abhi right now the hair is not being exposed to all the pollutants, all the UV rays in the environment, but it is a good time to strengthen them so that once we get back to the normal, your hair can sustain through all of those things. So even though oiling is one of the best things you can do to your hair, but there are people like me who can't use oil because if I use oil, my hair fall increase ho jata hai and there is a lot of dandruff built up, so it doesn't suit me. So I prefer using hair masks. So there are 4 hair masks that I'll be talking about today. All the ingredients in all hair masks are from the kitchen. They're absolutely easily available in all houses. You don't need to purchase anything, so you don't need to worry about it. They're easy to use and they're immensely effective. They're very, very good. I'll talk about all of them in detail. So yeah, without any further chitter chatter, let's begin. Alright, first hair mask that I'll be talking about is for frizzy hair and for basically for hair smoothening, hair softening also. So we'll be using 3 products for this hair mask: banana, honey, and ghar ki dahi, any curd. I know all these hair masks will sound weird because the combinations are such, but they are very, very effective. So for this hair mask, you'll take 1 banana, 2 to 3 tablespoons of dahi depending on the consistency of the paste according to your requirement and the length of your hair, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Also, you can increase it to 2 teaspoons if you have longer hair. So mix these well together. Bananas will be preferred अगर आप उसको अच्छे से fork से mash कर लो या blender में एक बार घुमा दो तो it will become very smooth consistency and it will be easier to apply to your hair. This is the first thing. Apply it to your hair. Apply it from the roots till the mid of your hair. All hair masks have to be applied like that. And जो बचा कुचा it can be applied to the roots. Keep it for around 30 minutes and wash it off with any normal soft shampoo that you have. If you don't have any soft shampoo, wash it off with any shampoo that you're using right now and use it. Alright, so for the second hair mask, we'll be majorly using 1 ingredient, and that 1 ingredient is egg. I know it sounds disgusting, I know it stinks, I know all those things, but the way egg works for hair is unbelievable. Matlab, it is so good that I can't stop talking about it. So, for normal hair growth and hair softening, use 1 egg, beat it well and apply it to your hair. If you have oily scalp, take adha nimbu, put that juice into that egg and apply it to your hair. And if you have dry scalp, use 2 tablespoons curd, mix it into that egg and apply it to your hair. Keep it for 20 to 30 minutes. Wash it off with cold water. Don't use warm water directly on the egg hair mask, otherwise the eggs will cook. But आपको तभी भी गर्म पानी से नहाना है तो एक बार ठंडे पानी से rinse कर लो so that the egg washes off, and then you can use the shampoo with warm water normally. Don't condition your hair after that and you will see a lot of difference. Please take my word for it. I promise it will be nice. So the third hair mask will deal with itchiness and dandruff. So for this we'll use aloe vera gel and lemon. It is preferred if you use aloe vera from the garden, or if you have aloe vera around you, cut off 1 leaf and scoop off the gel from inside, put it in a blender, add half a lemon juice and blend it together and apply it to your hair. Aloe vera really helps in reducing itchiness, and itchiness is actually when you itch the scalp, वो flakes create होते हैं, so that is how it works. I have used it on myself long back, but now I recently used it on my sister and it really helped her reduce that itchiness on her scalp. So for the fourth and the final hair mask, we'll be dealing with hair fall reduction. So hair fall is a problem that I have the most, so I will be doing this hair mask right here. So I've taken dahi and nimbu. I've taken 2 tablespoons dahi and I've taken adha nimbu ka juice and I've mixed this together. You can increase or decrease the dahi usage according to the length of your hair. Other than that, if you do not have any of the problems that I just spoke about, but you still want to use a hair mask, use dahi, just dahi. You don't need to add anything to it. Dahi works wonderfully well for any nourishment of the hair, general nourishment of the hair. Also, dahi helps in cooling down that scalp. Now that it's warm and it's only going to get warmer, dahi really gives a very nice cooling feeling to that scalp. So yeah, dahi works wonderfully well. So I kept the hair mask for 30 minutes and I washed it off with normal water and shampoo. I did not use a conditioner after washing my hair. And you see the shine? You see this? You see it feels so nice. It feels stronger. It feels softer. I love using these hair masks and they are so effective. I hope these work out for you as well. Talking about the frequency of using these masks, if you're using the curd one or the aloe vera one, do it at least once in 10 days. That is maximum. Like, you can't go beyond that. Once in a week is actually ideal, but once in 10 days is good enough. But if you're using the egg one, don't do it more than twice a month for sure. But if you can't manage twice a month, do it at least once a month. वो तो पक्का ही करना पड़ेगा. I hope you try these at home. I hope these work out effectively for you. And if you do try it, please drop in a review. I'll be waiting for your comments for sure. Other than that, take care of yourself. Please stay safe, stay positive. We are all in this together. Loads of love. Bye bye.